Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your HMD Arc. First, remove your screen protector or case as they can cause interference. If a screen protector isn't applied perfectly and sticks out to the sides or edges, it can prevent you from using the phone. Remove the screen protector if that's the issue. For the case, if it goes over the bezels and touches the screen, removing it will fix the problem. After removing the case and screen protector, clean your screen with a microfiber cloth. A few swipes are enough to clean the screen. Next, restart the phone to refresh the system by pressing and holding the power button until the screen goes black. Hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds, and once you feel a vibration, let go and the phone will turn back on. After the forced restart, as a last resort, update your software. Go to Settings, scroll down the system, and tap on System Update to check if you're on the latest version. If an update is recommended, it's very important to install it. That's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. Leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.